Good afternoon. This is Masrafi from IELTS, TOEFL and GRE Writing Correction Service from the Facebook. And I am now from Dhaka and sometimes from Hong Kong. Today I am just going to show you how to write English almost correctly and gently. Just you have heard I say how to write English almost correctly. Yes, it's a very important thing. Writing English correctly is not a joke, so that we have to think it twice. And I'm just going to show you very much beginning, and very basic. But if you can keep touch with me, you'll see how to write. It's very much I'm telling you. Okay, just see. Jerry is cooking tonight. See, very simple sentence, but it makes sense. Jerry is a subject, okay? A subject. Plus, he is cooking. He is a auxiliary, and cook is a main verb, but here is a continuous tense, so it's a altogether makes a hard phrase. Okay, and tonight it's a time modifier. So it's a simple sentence, but it makes sense. Nice. This is the one sentence. Okay, but in generally sentences have more words. So this is a very simple sentence by very few words, but generally we make a lot of big sentences. So I am going there, but the sentence will be the simple sentence, but you will see more other things. That is the like Mary is singing songs at the town hall at the moment. See, Mary, something, laugh, he is singing. Another verb phrase, songs and objects. Okay, an object. In generally, American people say it compliment, not object. In British people say object, song. At the town hall, it is the place modifier, and at the moment, it is the time modifier. So this is the big one, and summarize. I can summarize it with the subject plus verb plus object plus place modifier plus time modifier. Just keep in mind, sometimes a sentence needs the two modifiers. There's the place modifier and the time modifier. If that is the case, you have to place the place modifier first and the second one of them, time modifier. You cannot mismatch it. You cannot place the time modifier first and the place modifier last. Okay, just keep in mind. So just keep in with me, and you will see more entertaining things and more easier things. Okay, thank you.